Hi guys, welcome to another video clip of MrLopezClases.com. Today we are going to talk about the leaks of oil. Yes, those leaks, unwanted leaks in your gas or diesel engine. It's very common that you check the bilge of your boat and you see oil, or the drive in your home and you see oil. Normally the people say, oh, I have a leak of oil in my car. This weekend I am going to remove the oil pan, or I am going to remove the valve cover. I'm going to replace those gaskets and finito, bye-bye. The majority of the people replace those gaskets, the oil pan gasket or the valve cover gasket, and the problem continues. Normally the problem is not over there. The problem is a serious problem in other type of seals. Is in the seal of this is the timing cover, and this is the front seal of the crankshaft here, and the other seal is in the back. This is the rear seal of the crankshaft. Here is the transmission, the back of the engine, and this is the front of the engine. This is the rear seal. It's a hydraulic seal, and you need to replace this seal or this one. The front one is the less complicated. Yes, I know. You need to remove the pulley, the harmonic balancer. After that, you need to remove the timing cover, and finally you have access to this seal. Okay, the front one is easy. The backwards is a little more complicated because you need to separate the transmission. And after that, remove the flywheel. And finally, you have access to those seals. And it's more job, but be careful when you replace those seals. Be careful with the lips of the seal. Be careful when you introduce the new seal. The new seal should be entering perpendicular to the axis of the shaft. Okay, in my book of marine diesel engines, I explain some tips and details to replace those seals, the front seal and the rear seal of the crankshaft.